this drop right there, sir, and this drop right there, sir, and you no say nothing. You have something to say, you give your 2 cents. You talk. All of we chat. We have problem with this, we have problem with that. Everybody talk.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Oh, so you think it done? No, it not done yet. And though I know someone who not tired of it by now, but for the people them who not tired of it and actually want to keep up with what Gwan, the videos have to come out. Alright? So let's get into it. Remember, Rebel, TC, and Pretty all are Spice dancers, right? Or farmer dancers. I don't know where it stand right now. But all of them threw Spice under the bus last night, right? First it was TC, then Rebel, and then Pretty. Me don't drop TC one already. Me I go drop Rebel one, which is this right now. Me now cover Pretty one, cause all Pretty basically did was come and repeat what was already said by the 2 before her. The next one coming is Spice's response. But in this one, we are gonna listen what Rebel had to say. Make we go listen now.
Alright, so but there I'm just say me wait till it's quiet. I remember say everybody say Rebel this, everybody say Rebel that. First and foremost, I have to say, you have a group of females, and the group of females sit down and talk. Zine, me not go on like say me not chat people. Okay, you see me love confining a people when me emotional. You have one big circle of woman, and the whole of we sit down and talk. Let's start from a boss. Me dey on Team Spice. Ask woman for work, get the work, come on Team Spice. Me up for true, for say Spice and do nothing for we, but the whole of we used to complain about we pay. And as a girl, we always outside before Team Spice at work. Me used to encourage the girl in on the team. Say girls, who no can do other stuff to top up the money. Zine, you can do other things to top up on the money. I see nothing wrong with that. If you are going to influence your friend them, if you say alright, you can do better. Me hear somebody say something about breasts and about whichever boss and whatever. The whole of we used to sit down and talk. And people when me have as my friend, me not talk Polly, Katie or whatever. Me not talk the other slap them. We used to sit down and we chat and we do the most. You see, talking within the group, it go outside. Because when me emotional, I complain about everything, I'm a vent because me feel like say, them are my friend. When it go outside, that is not my fault. If you vent with a man, pan him pillar, I hear man that. If it go outside, that is not your problem. You talk. Everybody talk. Zine, when me have to say, nobody at all not perfect. People about this. Nobody at all not perfect. When people are chat, them chat. Me apologize to my friend them. Cause me boss it. KD, Polly, Ashley, Pretty. When time emotional, me boss it and do the most. And if we carry it out the road. Remember the whole of we talk. Everybody talk. Everybody have a problem with something. Everybody have a problem with something. You know what with me? Me love going like me back to broad. You see anybody have them problem and them rest it for me, me always feel like some if you go do this and do that and complain. And you see when people feel back me, nobody now back me. Nobody now back me. Me not ask if me a good friend. Me know me a good friend. You have to spark my loyalty. And anyhow me feel like you betray me, I eat that for you. But we live and we learn. And me grow up. But I true me chat too much. Me ever want chat. Me chat too much when me emotional. When me emotional, my boss know. Gracie, me not have no problem with you. Me not have no problem with you, but you see problem I have with you, dog. You don't know if you talk out things. You hear say your old dancer have sex with your baby father. Zin? You're not trying to clear the ear. Never talk to her. Try to talk to her? No. You hear say you dance to them chat you. You try to talk to me? No. You leave the group. You leave the group and I try to sort it out with me. Why? You're a woman and I can link. You know say things not too up. When your mother drop out, you send a thing in a me account and I never even expect. But you do that for me. But Gracie, as for payment, when everybody talk about pay and complain, all of we complain. All of we complain about the back, all of we complain say we should have get more and whatever. But me tell you something, Gracie, you see that man you call your friend RT boss? I him stir up all of this. I remember when RT boss come to it, we say, oh Spice, if you know say RT boss, I said them something about we and I tell we as dancers. And you say you love we and do everything. And RT boss I chat them, they sitting there about we and you don't come tell we. Why? So we feel a way about the situations. We go here so, we go there so we hear things too. Everybody hear things. Everybody hear things. Everybody chat people. Them ever make it look like rebel are the worst. Because me can't carry any amount of weight on my back. Me alone could never come with no news and say, girl, you know, say this drop right there, sir, and this drop right there, sir, and you no say nothing. You have some of you say you give your 2 cents. You talk. All of we chat. We have problem with this, we have problem with that. Everybody talk. Everybody have a problem on Team Spice. Everybody talk. Everybody talk. So, want to rebel now? Why you just rebel? When the Oberman come and tell her, when the Oberman come and say, if you don't like us, and you're not giving no visa, and Team Spice are gonna mash up on this and that and in one, we hear much things, we beggy, and all sort of foolishness. Everybody hear things, but why are always rebel alone? Why are always me alone? Me apologize to whoever, because we live and we learn. Me apologize to my friend them because me not go on like say me not chat. Me chat. When me emotional, me talk and me apologize to whoever. But now me learn. Me listen. The people them talk. Phone on charges. The people them talk. Everybody talk, but everybody always quick to jump and believe because I want man read out the problems as him claim. But that is I'm have to say loyalty is a word. Everybody did loyal to Spice. Everybody did loyal to Spice. Nobody to be like Spice. I want to complain. Our boss. Everybody I got chat. But we're loyal to Gracie. We're loyal to Gracie. Me get enough opportunity. I'm gonna take them because I say, Gracie, I'm a dog. I'm a hold it. I'm a hold it with Gracie. You see it? I'm a hold it, and that is the truth. Me get enough opportunity. Gracie do for we, and we do for Gracie too. Gracie you do for we, and we do for you too. All we do for each other. All we do for each other. And when the people used to come to me and tell me, say, oh, no, not gonna US yet. Oh, no, boss, bad mind, no. Look, on 3 talented girl, and this and that and whatever. We not listen. We not listen to them. We push through regardless. Me not complain on my go road. Me need them chip up. When me come on internet, people bash me. This and that, but me knee, I'm hold it like a jailer. Cause something stay. But you see when time wanna make it look like say rebel alone class. I wanna know say everybody sit down and chat who know have this to say and this to say and that to say. Everybody class. But you everybody and a friend again. Everybody land it for who? Master Rebel. I say it go. Who me fi apologize to me? Apologize to already because I not want nobody. No farmer explanation but me did have to do it. Spice. You's a good boss but get it together. Get it together. Katie, avoid me. Have a good night. Have a good night. And I have nothing more to say. When the people I see the people on live and talk. I went Jesus Christ. Oh God. I'm not gonna talk it.
What's up?
I'm not gonna talk it. Nah, go talk it. You see, anybody who bust it up on me and say me a liar can make us woman the most and do the most. Of course, chat. But remember when you were submissive to me and what I did to you, little girl, I make you chat that woman. Remember what was done to your vagina. You know what has done it?
No.
Done it, guys. Me I go apologize. Me I go apologize to anybody at all who me ever hurt. Me I go apologize, but remember say rebel learn. And this is the last time I go in a controversy. And that is my 2 cents.
Yeah, me know only that wonder. Unstoppable. Why you have that pandy thumbnail? Uno hearing at the end what Rebel say. Although I'm going to leave it right there, just like she did. She said what she said, and she said that is for a couple cents, and she gone. So now you hear me? Me nah add to it and me nah take away. This is for me couple cents, and me gone. But if you're not subscribed yet, make sure hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications, yeah man. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.